This is the giant of Ashanti Radio. Silver 98.3
The
FM.
gospel genre.
Share the gospel genre. Share the gospel genre.
The gospel genre.
Gospel genre. Gospel genre.
Right, I Silver 98.3. Osho Benanundo Abapa Osima Adriana and I Eofidium ha. Your friend gospel general, Fiti Sabre Cosi Sabepo to me, you know. And you Casa Fidian FM free I am come apart and semper edemamo. Where the bonny be, we gay, we lesbian, masturbation, one more da, ununia biada, we occult, we lesbian, Freemason, and now we give you a show so net 31. What the answer when you have a church come out 050001190 and 050001190 and 0261117272 0261117272. That's what Chimney so ye day. Bro. Kabo.
A choir bruni. So, me say Abeka crown. The Bible that we are reading, no, Abeka they will accept gay. A benya gay quotation in the next generation.
My top Bibles are yet my mom for.
Yeah.
Me kwa me toa. Old one no. And no me to.
Yeah.
Because new one no.
Yeah.
Se say be bride.
Of course. Yes. And Bible no plenty.
Yes.
Edeba.
It new also new ones be aba.
Yeah.
And se say be bride. Apa Bible. Eti me menya. Na ko bi se bi ade me che 10 million na ka me fan tobi ngo bebre ma ja ode ase
Of course, yeah.
yes ka menya en ko bi anyame odo nyame en ko kan kire me se abrante de 10 million
Yeah.
fa to Bible ni go bebre
Yeah.
na fa che man kofo because enter on asema wo kan eni ma bebre na be ban se aprofo ni koyai aprofo ni be serious
Yes. Almost start and not
Yes.
even
and no tin na wo mu prese Africa for so nyintum se gay nyintum
so more pan even Presbyterian Church in United States. Almost shira gay marriage so I was sorry them. Presbyterian sorry. United States. Yes. Almost shira gay so. And when the amana in 2019 no mukushi on the 3rd of July no. Vote no mu ye
okay
Abrofona kasa hono. There were votes or more pass and it was 247 votes against 48. 247 not voting for, and I just 48 to get the voting against. And another election, another conference, members of 2020. And one or more a day, or more be passable, no, like Aina Casano, Embrano. And omo de letter, come church, I got a real self for a Methodist church.
Methodist
Ghana for you, baby, at the whole world. And omo de amomo say, one more steady, at the end of Moyeno. Na edru aba no so ba betubi na de ma de ehun ni say gospel general the Methodist Church worldwide ni nyina no over Britain UK na wo mo do so che ewiase Methodist nyina wo carry the largest majority of Methodist Church worldwide omo population is 180,000 population
okay
omo Britain ho nko ano enti omo nko agituma the whole world nyina agiatum enti what Ghana na also wonyi ntuma say UK for 180,000 no almost omuji tuma the whole world I accepted
yen sorry ntia ya mampaye na wo mamudi animu no awurade ma wo hwefom what you say because I had the phone I yensem hunu I had dia anisi soso I nema anisi soso I nyame atiwade
yes
but abrofui ebe kuyen
yeah
Methodist Ghana mun sorry
yeah
Methodist Ghana mun sorry ntia sadia no
yes
mun kasantia ani omo po mun kankyere mu se sadia o maje mu lanji so se dia afiri mu sema mun fa mun tete ma sori ankora
yeah the ever one say on say omo the enti omo yes an say omo no omo on the headquarters omo no omo cheska edema all this babia entuni ade omo de be dead omo ne say sika no beba ya mama musika say what you say yes those omo majetum nya they've been influenced by money enkofo bi na yesa
okay
enye se enkofo bi na ediska na puli omo ana ye hu say the betima
who say
give been sponsored
who say gay for no lesbian for you have money
yeah
omo wo sika
yeah
ne kumasi akra ba bi omo sia no
yeah
aya ko kasa omo pack
yeah
if you don't know that one day I'll take you there ko kasa omo pack
yeah
ko kasa akasi omo pack
yeah
what you say eti san niema we ya ade a mo se Ghana ekoso Ghana ba ye be sere say yen kasantia sade no But what you say?
Of course, also a
Say ya kasenti a ekoso.
Emwa.
Na ya na unse aya na ya me ya na me kra we na ho. Ah, ensori mo ekoso a. Ya ade we bebre a, ye wie na se de emrante na ma asofofo na. Omu mo omu.
Oh yeah, that one.
But in the partner no so na dey ebuam.
Yeah.
Ghana, you call Ghana a Christian country. You selfish. Pesa me kuminya nyachom ye na wurade ye mra ye ho ase ye ko a de ye bedie ye botom enko a na ye dwene ho but ye nwene krofon.
Yeah.
You call Ghana a Christian country.
And
couple medamina couple
yes,
yeah me yura ho.
So about the small down now because
Miss Couple
oh message
yes
ma
medamina now looking at her enipa ebre
yeah.
Na omu partners no and support
you.
It's obi wie kura obi ewie no obi ewie kura. I was say sanko fui can you support you?
Yes.
Can afford to put it more and yeah better so oba why in the pants ne no fu siso ne ba ne da I know ne better sika and you got sponsor Ghana.
Yeah, promoting gospel. That is the country that you are living in. Oh yeah, dear be a gospel never promoting God and we don't do it. And no one does say
who say penny be from it.
Yes, oh fell.
Me who say penny be from it.
I know the other day.
Me who say penny be from it. That's me ba. Oh yeah, dear.
It means support.
Me support you.
No.
A BC da.
And only a problem, you know, because as a baby in general, the Methodist Church, a Christian dominate, I can't say members are more UK and there. Remember, so one is any slavery. The Americans say slavery. They say, yeah, dear, I didn't see near dear home Ghana. Now John Wesley, now sorry, UK no abetiboa. Not so now, or more UK in a manipulate ya sorry no. Which means we are not independent.
Yes,
we are not freedom. And to kaya independent near your freedom. Obey to my dictator, my
come on. I do maybe on. I am not raho. The do maybe not me na mao. Obusa me marantia. You know them. I do maybe a busa. I am not me raho. Na me timi soon. Couple. Messi for the past 10 years in me night 3 hours that. Because me hear some man for camp. Any bra man for camp. Problems upon problems. Na nkofobia nye sika. Na wo mun support to good cause. Na me raho. I am telling my brother. Me who said the nkofobia enye sika say tam. Na ade om de babo nyina ayese manyi omu ho womu ba no ento abonte na yes sponsor sanimo ya na me raho. Yes. Me nkoye adwuma bi oba bia ma yesofo adwuma da wan support me da aha ba for pe me anya meka ya meka ba for pe na friend no say me ba adwuma na we ya de o say me pe ba bi ma na usia na mu no me de e bompe na mo support ba for pe ma yesofo adwuma o yesofo adwuma
no so me de nyame
for heaven but ba for pe na ka just me ba o ya de say me boa na unya baby na mu no mu hia na mbobo bompai na mu ye ono pe you call Ghana a Christian country say wo ya the papa say ni papa so mu say ye boa pa no penny apart from afo penny bia fremida penny bia fremida but yen ko say your footballer yen ko say your politics yen ko say your Miss Ghana Vodafone wan sika ye de pompi gum hade na Ghana hade na mutimo this Ghana sika for
ti bro ni river mosca o wi anu am accept game
ayeye de amukọ ye nyina aye mubosom bi ne mkonfo bi a makom so any direction de ye de amamo what you say eti Ghana eti obi ya de pa eti yehu adwembone aye kum krofo
wickedness
adwembone sikafo o Ghana
dangerous
silmotene
of course
o twa mrante ne meba wa na se kapo de obadu ma bi esia hu bi small girls young guys o ni na se ayra ho sem me ne me bayinam obedu a friends Roman here o na small girl obita odi meza 10 years 12 years no ofri sire maba so be so akaya yo how
small girl
12 years na ofri cinema baba so be kayo o my bad team
it's yamrazo
yes oh my mu yamra oh my team ni mu what is going on
I'm right now Juma
what is going on o ka o se mayenka Ghana for Timothy. Ghana for Sika for Binum Timothy. Ghana for Sika for Binum Timothy. They should change.
Of course.
They should change. As Nyamia tell me about so because they know the right thing, but they will open your tap.
Yeah.
Masa Messi Capo. So Obiba na Usiano. Na the walk of visiting no. Walk of cheesy. Why you? Capo. Now she said the nipa si bread. Now who tell nipa bi namu. I won't tell it you. Will be anywhere. I don't know. I won't tell you. I quite a software ya. Omo afufa baby. Will be as you. Along the way no. To say the metia.
Wanyamwa.
Metia ya manfo gumsi. One ya obedi an wuchechi ane komatia no. We said nipa ho ya mobo.
Yeah.
Fa baby.
Yeah.
But eto sit da. Me menya da. But what you say?
Yes.
But me can't say. Cause any fa baby.
Yeah.
Na yesi. Ghana foot more
too much.
Ghana foot more. Ghana foot more. I will say it. Ghana foot more. O Ghana for you nyam djuma. I suffer from you pretty broful pretty way near that. Woman support to good cause. Woman yet more. They think about Omuma. They think about Omunkasa. Atadium Bessa. Go to Umbessa. Cow bedem. They don't think about Ebi Emunipan church members. Come on me how new. Mama new. Miss Suni Matitin. Bisa me may. Dear would you could I know Biba. I was so done now the man. Because you pan one for mana. Massa obey a day.
Hey, serious.
Obey a day. Can't afford Timothy. Me say, I suffer. Yamiata mo be bomb so. Nipa brebe obi akwa sorry.
Obi akwa sorry ya.
Ghana Christopher be 80%.
Bebre.
Muslims say. And na mini am den betra ba bia otia me ne bonkomo. Wo se wo sechira ye. Wo nya panyi bia sisi. Ba wo discan man onye de. But wo nya so for panyi bi say me ba wo nchen no be kasa ama guidelines bi atutufu da. Mini Lord Kenya sacha na mo bo chef. Me ne trust din komo. The same thing okay. Ghana so for panyi for. You call this a Christian?
That hypocrisy.
Nyachum.
Yeah.
Nyachum da ye.
Yes.
Ghana so for. They should change. No be sure say what check us near the other video. Musi we fake we. Mo amusi mo ya papa. E dia na wo ye.
Watch your mobile.
Wo so ya papa. Dia na wo ye.
A mobile back.
Wo so ya papa. E dia na wo ye. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Kabo, me say, me catch me damn na. I was telling my boss
say fire homo professional.
Yes.
We need to give them
Yes.
fire. You fire homo professional.
Massa.
Because on the moon team take here for right because say there be one thing about Ghana na mahuni say there be any pakwa sorry there be any pakwa sorry and asori na ye ko ni say mami ka say ma ko cho Nyankopon ma Israel for no come Misraim a omo ko nkwaso mu na omo ko o ko no nyame ka say ma ko cho me say ma ko di nkwaso mo ko mu nua no manyanya gold ni ade obi a wanya bi no mon kan che ne say de wanya bi no on fa ni nua bi edu mfie say ne wanya ma na on fa nche no me mpese mahu hiani bia o Israel. I don't want to see poverty in my country.
Jessica na ya kwato bank.
Ah my God.
Na sorry bano at ho na wo bre na komo teno di obedi e tene ade so kwa ne boyfriend. Ade so kwa ne guy.
Osinya me be shira.
Na me be shira what?
Onya me be shira. Osofo no oni asore ba wan na be nyame.
Yes.
You and the church member. When the be nyame. And Nipana only come what the one city na kana betu was go. God will bless you.
Nyame be shira. Masa,
yacho.
Bisa me mai ni e bom pai o park so a. Ya ni bibia o park so a. Sofo ne cat kids for e be catch le say yan sori na yanko. Me catch you say djuma bi say ni di na ye boankofo say say mabko bo say ye boankofo say nti ya. You call this a church? You call this man of God? E fi asofo panyin tip. Correct. Sorry baby na baby na. Wa be ka say I here for be so atras. Yes, it is in the Bible. And here for be order. But the thing is dear na wo ye.
But onyame mami chewa. Sir, I don't want to
No.
It is there. Yes. But ya say etiri mu ache. Me say onyame na on Israel for nam no. O ka kire Israel for say on person obewo hiani bia oni mamu. Enti say ya accept say a Christian country dia. And you say din nyame asam no so.
Ye ni so.
So it is here. Adentina wo so for obi yetimi Samuel ma akoma so for ana wo de akosi gu ni kitchen na apro na abro obi wa so de akomte no. What kind of Christianity is this?
You call this a church? I can bonnet and they couldn't pay. I can bonnet Pesame kunya jacham one ne yire ne ma di wombe die nko abaya ne sa atade ba ko pe and odi ba sorry day in day out da biara da but a man na dwene mu da so be kasa amame brade ne ha entra ma adwama ekoso masa obi a ba ha bia ne ho a ya ne kasa onko sorry me bo obi akọ sorry
Obu general ne dia ne nya spiritual problem no hia o hia 200 Ghana cedis do odi be di na hia no nya do odi be budget enya spiritual hiri baba and $5 ma hiri baba cedi ma. We need to accept the fact say there are some problems that we need to solve for people and you say God will bless you. No, financially there are some people that they are in need.
Yes,
and no ne hia
try me say kapo mami carry who say bincho na me say next month na me nya me 1 year ha me was station ba ko bi ana me call children's home baby.
okay
nkora ne ka tire me say bra nya me hira ade a wo dia ba nya me hira ana mu sa identity kasa wase sie nye mensesa tie ye nye mensesa pad ba ko na boy e betima boy ama ade a ede ache bini ho kumasi ya o eni echi kumasi mfifi ya o bro na makasa metobia koma wo mo metobia koma wo me say abaya me record me phone masesa ninti na eni so o ka chem say bra si enye mensesia pad ba ko pe abe boy ko sisa ade beche na so obi bridi mo a obi bridi a ade ni tiri mo tenisa obi bridi a kumasi for tiri mo de me start a program ni pa ye dia support wo mo no anya asam ketwa but Ghana for tiri mo de no penny bi ani ho sofo bi ani ho e just or sofo loveless on the support here asa ana na so asa pe obi ani ho se munye na mumfanya yi isi amekasa ba ya bi a wabubu ogo pe richa asa no miam sa ko samum fifiri ana masa ko to bi ama yes ade ni timo tenisa I'm a fancy couple. Konyesa say the secret. You know, couple him. If you say Mr. T program yo, madam da. Obi timi ka some, I will some, bro. Yes. I think there be a person minimum and you because as Oma manager. But what does it? But when Obi timi ka some bi. Obi twene wa. Otim ko baby obi da. Pa nipa ba baby o da. But so no kwa sorry. No kwa sorry you. O di bre. But na yem feel na yem moano. You call this a church. I don't know boni e wo yetiri musa. Friend gospel general. Couple jene yem pon yem mabo.
Yeah, general the can say obi tie yen ka se mo fa so sika. Yen ka se mo fa so sika nyina ma nipa nkodi. Nebo de e be se e kire ne say asori no so ade a mimi gidi say yeah, they boy home. If you go to church, you go to church, say one, Ubenya de Mwa free actually.
I say circuit.
Yeah, and sana, yeah. But the thing is,
ni friend be. Many call me tanko Angela FM. And your support say ni friend you. Ni friend be and ni fra.
Yeah.
Ni friend be. What me or 2 letter call 3 times. I saw them, you know.
Yeah.
Many call me tanko Angela FM.
Yeah.
And I am was abrante.
Yeah.
That's what kwa sorry to be.
Yeah.
Ni friend ni wo yamwa.
Yeah. The fact is, you to me the tight in the correction DC university, any hospitals are. Now we can do better. We can do better. You bet my ayabro so. Into the I can say, and churches no, or university no crane board in check government university.
Yes,
but me na me ya did Jessica as ya boy I want ya. Now you took correction at the tight and I come back what they are and can be a moderate. Because you idea
software university one kind ne board the crack government there software university ne board the crack what are you talking about
sorry sika
what the cotton land what no as university ne board so the was what are you talking about how dey na koso o se cassette
Gomunya land ni bimpo ensi da wo so da
ba we dey mesra mo and dey mama men kam mama men po me heart
oh yes
and dey ba for mpani for kenepa mama men po me heart na adna sem so ate Ghana yetiri mo dene awudifo wo man ya nwene o man fo atem bone pesami kunya krono kwa ni nimbo krono wa de ne we yetiri sabe binum kono wadin kwa e binum tim ade ne tiri mo de sa ade ne tiri mo de sa me say kapo wo bi beba wo say o me partner na boy on kwa na high bibi ba bi e dey e ma me da ampaso ne partner no wo high ba bi e dey ama ne da and so wo si wo nya ya because I me awurade an me so ama na nya ya e bi o de be ya me baby obey introduce ama me baby
Yeah.
so what I have to do is that I also me pick comes no dey no time o jaya I say one o ma na juma I saw pe baby e dey e ma ne da how dey team order sir Ghana for team order Ghana for also for team order Ghana for businessmen and women team order Ghana politicians team order Ghana for be team order yes I have to Ghana penny for team order too much
Na say Ghana
they don't support a good cause at the bonnet kwa ye disika sponsor
yeah
at the bonnet and ye disika sponsor
anti general they all can anyone say very soon no churches no more headquarters our bruchiri nyina abegige atum
yes
because omo no omo disika ba na mo de ahwe mo ho enti so omo ka say omo fa sika na mabie mu a ana zouti da meka better man be atua mo pastors ka
yes
better man enti e will come aba force to do it the on person obey no but say e de ho na independent a yankasa na rule ya sorry ya na ntutu ya na bibia ye yi pesamin kuminya ne greediness ni free mu a we can manage our own na itimade aboya me yakwanim but ya nya na ye da bia destiny na dia we will comply with the white said the make omakwa meeting the next year 2020 another meeting will come out on be passing out the whole world will accept it now if you Presbyterian church you can say worldwide or accepting the United States and then another thing is coming Methodist church UK or start it about the whole worldwide and just a man try na sorry no mo make sure say mo be bibia ma mo na greediness ni sa anwoma na mo dia hyehyɛ mo da bia pesamin kuminya abrofo ye pesamin kuminya enka wono onfa ni sika mfa brochire mra wo Ghana ha say fire sorry sadwi ne wo ye team no eno a enti the businessman in the country must rise up also mo su timi boa na ye timi enya e freedom say Africa obi enya freedom ye dada ye ho kwa wanya freedom and obi be impose gayism and lesbian amount because of money because you are not financially sound and greediness na doso enti sem panimfo ni asori panimfo no wo be Land Cruisers akese na omo toto dam no any V8 ni te say de omo ye politician omo convoy yes
I'm not against that
it's good to do that
so
but
sorry man be yinshira
yes
any me mai krai say sika bo mu a me ji omo tight
yes
I am teaching them
yes
what does it me ji
no one against it
yes but adie no
also munso masade ye your duty
couple I think say and mama fa course kakra
and fa course
meto bomb
of course
because Ghana for three more than
the enti ayamo omu jano yamo asofo ni jane say omo asade na omo nye mo ama asore ma no so nto omo ha me boa
couple
omo nye
yes
because obi akwa sorry 1990 abepem na da bia nyambesha do atia no tie nyambe na isra no what you say mo se ye bibi de boa no honam ma ne sini
yes
ana me boa
yes
Jesus bae no Yahushua bae no Joseph of Arimathea na bibi ni ho
bibi no
wa na ha mo ano
anya one ne first the two business na okode
so what you say so adiabo no man na spiritual physically you need to help the person
yes
na juma koso na bibi aye ma no enti nyame be de bia mpaye girigiri dabi that's not the solution
kind of foot model
o person bless you be life
anopay obi friend masa abi na wo sama wo ka kire me ninya ede abi na wo sam
unya
support because baby I di no wo di go betima ho bone
yes
because I said what de kama di obedi ekura no
ede nti won ko he
ai fa no fa
yes nyame pa we so nyame hwehwe no nipa no
kabo
on nyame hwehwe no
yitimo
won waso ade so aye den abre nti ade so na ye kasa won a waso ane so abre mo mre nyame fie no enya de obo adwaman kwa na ehia no